In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TradingView indicator using Grok AI. First, open your TradingView account in your browser and sign in so you're on the main charting screen. If this is your first time, the default layout is perfect. We just want to be on any live chart so the tool has context for what you're building. Next, load any chart you like. You can pick a stock, a crypto pair, a forex symbol, whatever you typically analyze. Choose a time frame that matches your strategy, whether that's a 1-minute chart for scalping or a daily chart for swing trading. This doesn't lock you in. It simply ensures what you're creating is aligned with the environment you plan to trade. Now look at the top of the chart and click the Indicators button. This opens TradingView's indicator and strategy library with a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type Grok AI. When you see it in the results, click it to open. This will launch the Grok AI interface connected to your current chart. With the tool open, you'll be prompted to describe what you want. This is where you input your parameters or your trading strategy. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, you might say you want an indicator that plots a fast and a slow-moving average, highlights crossovers as potential signals, and optionally filters entries with RSI conditions. If you have precise values in mind, include them, such as a 9-period fast average and a 21-period slow average, or RSI thresholds like 70 and 30. You can also outline your entry and exit logic, the time frame you're designing for, the markets you trade, and any alerts or visual elements you want, like colored background zones or labels. Grok AI will use your description to generate the complete indicator script for you. Under the hood, it produces Pine script code tailored to what you asked for. Take a moment to read the generated description and any comments in the script so you understand how the logic works, what each input controls, and how signals are defined. If something doesn't match your intent, refine your input by clarifying the rules, thresholds, or calculations you expect. Small wording changes can significantly improve the output. That's it. You opened your TradingView account, pulled up a chart, launched the Indicators menu, searched for and opened Grok AI, and then provided your parameters or trading strategy so Grok AI could generate the full indicator script for you. Use clear instructions, define your logic precisely, and iterate until the script reflects your vision.